Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look OET Writing, case note of Dyalann Charles. Come on, let's look it together. You are a maternal and child health nurse working at the Romaville Community Child Health Service. Date 50th of January 2012. Now we will move on to the patient history. So here it is. Patient history. Baby name Dyalann Charles. Date of birth 4 December 2011. Place of birth Romaville Maternity Hospital. Parents Raymond and Sylvia Charles. Address 19th Mayfield Street, Romaville. Discharge date 8 December 2011. Next we are looking family history. Mother Sylvia Charles, 24 years old, first time mother. Father Raymond Charles, 25 years old, a soldier currently away on duty. Next is birth history. Normal vaginal birth at term. Birth weight 3400 grams. Apgar score at 5 minutes is 9. And also no antenatal or postnatal complications. Next we are moving to subjective notes on 15 January 2012. Sylvia and Dyaln attended a routine 6-week checkup. Sylvia is concerned about constipation. Dyaln passes stools once every 3 days, which are hard. She inquired about using stool softeners or prune juice. Dyaln was exclusively breastfed for the first 3 weeks. And also, he is unsettled during a summer heat wave in December. Sylvia fell ill with a fever for a few days. During this time, her mother-in-law Mary Charles visited and advised switching to formula feeding and adding extra powder to the formula to improve Dyaln's weight gain. Even though Sylvia believes she is not producing enough breast milk and now uses both breast and formula feeding, Dyaln finds bottle feeding difficult. Sylvia wants to continue breastfeeding, believing it is best for Dyaln. Mary Charles is staying with the family for another month to help, but tensions are arising between Sylvia and her mother-in-law over feeding. Next, we will move on to the objective findings. Reflexes normal, slightly lethargic, no abdominal tenderness, heart rate 174 breaths per minute, respiratory rate 56 breaths per minute. And also, temperature is 37.1 degrees Celsius and the current weight is 4200 grams, and also only 3 wet nappies in the past 24 hours. Urine is dark in color. Next, we will move on to the assessment. Mild constipation and there is signs of mild dehydration. The last one is plan, that is encourage increased breastfeeding, refer to breastfeeding support service, ensure correct preparation of formula feeds. If continuing formula, advise to supplement with cooled boiled water. Provide advice on keeping baby cool in hot weather. And the last point is review appointment in 48 hours. Now we are moving towards our writing task, that is write a referral letter to the lactation consultant at the Breastfeeding Support Center, 68 Main Street, Romaville. Expand the relevant case notes into full sentences. Do not use note form. The letter body should be approximately 180 to 200 words. And also use the correct letter format. Till now, we have gone through the case note and understood the key details. Now, let's move on to the most important part, that is writing the letter. I will show you how to structure it step by step, keeping in mind the purpose, reader and the relevant information. We are writing to a lactation consultant. Come on, let's begin. Here, first we have to write date and address. Date 15 January 2012. Address The Lactation Consultant, Breastfeeding Support Center, 68 Main Street, Romaville. Next is the purpose paragraph. I am writing to refer Dyalann and his mother Salvia, who requires guidance on breastfeeding techniques. Dyaln has been diagnosed with mild constipation, likely due to improper breastfeeding. Next paragraph. Dyaln was born through a normal vaginal delivery with a birth weight of 3,400 grams. His mother breastfed him for the first 3 weeks after the birth. Subsequently, she began formula feeding on the advice of her mother-in-law, as she was unwell for a few days. Dyaln has been uncomfortable with bottle feeding and has become unsettled during the summer heat wave. Additionally, his mother is concerned about insufficient breast milk. Today, Dyaln and his mother presented to hospital for a 6-week routine checkup, and his mother stated that he experiencing constipation once in every 3 weeks. Therefore, his mother requested for stool softener and prune juice. On examination, he was slightly lethargic and passed dark urine. He has only 3 wet nappies in the past 24 hours. It would be appreciated if you could provide breastfeeding techniques for Dyaln's mother and encourage the frequency of breastfeeding. Kindly educate the mother regarding formula milk preparation. It is important to advise the mother to keep the baby cool in hot weather. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any queries. Yours faithfully, Registered Nurse. That's all about our sample OET letter to a lactation consultant. I hope this sample OET letter gave you a clear idea of what to expect in the writing subtest. Make sure to practice regularly and stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more OET content and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss an update. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.